Single wall tubing being installed. Assuming the correct size of tubing has been selected, the tube should fit easily over the item onto which it is being installed. A good guide is that the tube should be at least 10% bigger than the article before installation, and installed tightly by having between 80 and 10% shrinking to go when it is fitting snugly onto the article. Depending on the shape and material of the item, it should be determined what the best process for installation might be. An oven, a hot air gun, a soft flame, or even an infrared heater. Also, it is necessary to determine the best place to start the shrinking process and the assembly. Considerations here are the shape of the article, how the tubing is to be located, and if air may get trapped under the tubing during the installation process. To install the tube from one end, at one end it is important that the tube is located in the correct position and that the heat is applied in a controlled way, directing the airflow onto the tube but away from the full length of the tube. The end of the tube will shrink into position, holding the tube in place. Notice the action of rotating the heat around the tube so that the heat is applied evenly. This is to ensure a consistent installed wall thickness of the tube. Once the tube has been recovered into position, the hot air can be redirected further down the tube to continue the shrinking process. Note how controlling the direction of the airflow controls how the tube shrinks. The idea is to gradually work down the tube so that the air is not trapped underneath.